My students love this technique. They love how it flips everything upside down and they get an endless amount of drawing ideas. I'm going to take you through it. It only takes a few minutes. You're going to be able to draw cute, crazy creatures like these. This technique always works. You just have to follow a couple quick little secret rules. Rule number 1, don't copy. Learn the steps by watching the first video. It takes about a minute. Just learn the steps and then go from there. Rule number 2 flips drawing upside down. It messes with my students' heads at first, but once they try it, they can't stop using it. Here's the secret rule. Don't decide what you're drawing until you're done. Let the drawing be what it wants to be. This is so much more fun. Just follow the steps in the video and it'll turn into an amazing creature with no effort at all. All right, in this video, my animal turned out to be this like chipmunk thingy, which I kind of love. He's kind of cute. Yours is not necessarily going to look like this. This is a method. You're not copying, remember. But I'm going to show you this method and you might get something similar. Or you might get something so much better. So just dive in, learn the steps and see what happens. That's what makes this exciting. All right, step 1 is to just draw an oval nose and put a little white spot inside of it. Color it all black and leave a little white spot on the top. It'll make it look kind of 3D. There we go, coloring it in. All set. Step 2, you're going to make a W mouth. Just kind of like a W mouth. You're going to go swoop and a shroop. You can make it big. You can make it small. You got to decide. That's what's fun about it. One line like that, and then have another line coming in this way. So here we go. Shroop. Kind of looks like a W, so it's a W mouth. Next step, we're going to circle the whole W mouth. We're going to go from nose to nose and circle the mouth. Here we go. Look how fast this is. Circle the mouth. All right. The next step, step 4, eyes. An eye here. And then we're going to put an eye on the other side. You can make them big or small. I made mine kind of big in this time. Now we're going to draw some pupils. A circle here, and draw another little circle and another little circle and color the rest in black. That looks really cool, I think. It makes it kind of look like 3D. Now I'm going to circle the eyes, just like that. Look how simple that is. And now I'm going to add some ears. I'm going to draw some like squiggly ones here. I'm going to draw another one, but you can draw round ones. It doesn't matter. That's it. You're done. Now add extras. Little things here for the mouth. You could add teeth. I kind of like this guy, so I'm going to leave it. And then last, decide what it is. Maybe color. I have no idea what this is. Kind of looks like a chipmunk, so let's go with that. All right, let's do it again. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to draw this thingamajiggy, or it turned out to be like this. Start with the oval nose. Here we go. Little line in there, and I'm going to color the rest black. Easy. Step 1. Step 2 is going to be, in a second, when I'm done with this, I'm going to color W mouth. You can go big or small. Here's a W, A-W. And let's go. Here's the W mouth. 1. And I'm going to come back this way to make the W. There we go. Meet in the middle. Now I'm going to circle the W. That's the next step. Yep, just like that. I'm going to go around, circle the mouth. Look how easy that is. Just circle the mouth. Now the next step is just some eyes. 1 there. I'm going to draw an eye. And then on the other side, make these a little smaller than the other one. There we go. And then I'm going to draw some circles in there for pupils. There's 1. And I'll draw, this guy's going to be looking up. And then put a little dot in there and then color the rest black. I'll do that on both sides, go in the same direction. Color that in black, look at that. And I'm going to circle the eyes, go from like cheek to cheek, make a circle. Not really a circle, but going around. Circle the eyes. I say circle, but you're just kind of going over for a head. And then you're going to put some ears on here. I'm going to just do little circle ears. I don't know. That's just the first thing that jumped in my head. Oh, I kind of liking this little creature. Let's add some extras. How about some teeth? There's 1. Ooh, I like that. What is this thing? I have no idea, but I like them. Maybe a panther? I don't know. It looks kind of panthery. I don't know. He's cute. I have no idea what this is, but let's go with the panther. Maybe color this guy in. Let's see. Brown. All right. Pink. Pink panther. Works on paper too. So I'm just going to show you that just to prove like you don't need a computer program. Here it is again. Oval nose. This is just using regular Crayola marker. W mouth. There's one. Look at that one. I went a little bigger on that one. Now I'm going to circle the mouth. Circle here. Go from nose to nose. Really fast. Notice I'm not stopping, going slow. Eyes. Oh, make some big ones here. Go big again. Now I need to put some circles in there for pupils. Add those. That's it. If you know these steps, you can create all kinds of cool creatures. Just change the different shapes, like sometimes small eyes, sometimes large eyes, sometimes a small nose, sometimes a large nose. Now I'm going to circle these eyes. That's the next step again. And put on some ears. Yeah, just little tiny ones. They're not that great. I probably would have changed that, but I don't care. Put some teeth in there. Ooh, I like that. I like those teeth. And there we go. And darken up, and you can color any way you want. Decide what it is. I have no idea what that thing is. Kind of looks like a beaver, maybe? I don't know. Maybe write a story about a beaver. All right, we're going to try a dog this time. It's going to turn out kind of like a dog. But remember, don't decide until the end what it is. There's a nose, color it in. It's oval. Here we go. We're just going to color it in black. Fill that in. Oh, little spot there. I'm going to do a W mouth. This one's going to be less a W, so you can change. The W is just a guide. This is not going to look exactly like a W, but there you go. I'm going to circle that. Go from nose to nose, circle the mouth. And you kind of droopy here. Then you're going to make eyes, small or big. Look at this. In this case, they're kind of smaller, so it gives you a different look. Put some circles in there to add pupils. The little dot, that little secret dot kind of gives it life. Beep. I don't like that one. Let's try that again. I love it. Nah, I don't like that one either. There we go. It's kind of looking off to the side. A little circle in there. A little circle in there. Look at that. I erased, and I told you not to erase. We're going to circle the eyes for a head, and then just squiggle some long things here for ears. I don't know. Nothing hard there. They look kind of like bananas, but look, it kind of looks like a dog. Little extras here. Throw some extras in. Decide what it is. This guy doesn't look good pink. I kind of like the green. Blue. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Blue. I don't know. I guess you need a brown. That doesn't look good at all. Gray looks kind of good. Great Danish looking. By the way, I'm kind of hungry. Could use a Danish. Okay, the big idea was just to share those steps with you so you can create your own cool animals and put them out into the world, your own cartoons. It'll be awesome. We'll go to different levels. There's other different tricks I have to share. I'll be sharing those soon, so come back and subscribe and you can see some little more advanced stuff. We'll go step by step and have more and more fun.